Hey everybody, I'm Duncan and this is Shiri. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
We're going to demonstrate using these wonderful Havdalah cards, the new mailer from PJ Library. Each card has a description of the part of Havdalah on the back that each card represents, and then on the front, each one has a little plastic tab that you can peel up, and guess what you do next?
Smell.
You smell it. So this first one is sip for the wine, so let's peel it back and what does that smell like? Does it smell like grapes? Like wine or grape juice? And it's so easy to use. You just have an adult just lift that tab up and then you can have your family smell each card. So as you're going through these, just make sure that you're pulling just the tab portion on each card, not the very bottom of that film, because if you start to pull the very bottom of that film, it's going to tear the whole card. So you just want that little circular tab toward the bottom that lifts up a portion of the film, and then it's ready to smell. Do you know why we celebrate Havdalah?
Yeah.
Why do we celebrate Havdalah?
Because Shabbat, if Shabbat was every day, it wouldn't be special. And in real life, it's not every day, so it's special.
That's a very good point. If we had Shabbat every day, it wouldn't be special. That's why we have Havdalah, so we can separate Shabbat from the rest of the week.
It doesn't smell when it's on.
That's true. What do we have to do?
Lift it.
We have to have your parent help and lift it up, and then?
Smell it.
And then smell it. Awesome. Thanks, Shiri.
You're welcome, Daddy.